Hey there! In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to capture an ECG with the Core 500. Let's get started. The Core 500 is a digital stethoscope with a digital display, live heart rate, and 3-lead ECG. In the middle is the lead indicator. This is used for ECG. ECG readings require contact with skin. If the electrodes don't make contact with skin, the lead indicator is gray. When they do make contact with skin, the lead indicator turns green and has a check mark. Now that you've had a tour of the Core 500, you're ready to get an ECG reading. Place the device on the skin. One position that works well is the LUSB, next to the left sternal edge between the second and third ribs. When you get a good signal, the screen shows the heart rate and ECG waveform with 2.2 seconds of data. The waveform for channel 1 is shown on the display. We recommend using the Eko App to read and interpret the full 3-lead ECG. The tracing on the Core 500 is the same as the first channel shown in the app. That's it. Now that you've learned the basics for capturing an ECG, you're ready to go. You can learn more in our Help Center at support.ekohealth.com. Thanks for watching.